Hi, I'm Nelly, and today I'll show you how to do your Binance USA taxes with Koinly. This platform supports API and CSV file import. As always, if you get lost or have any issues, don't panic. I'll let you know how we can assist you at the end of this video. The first step will be to log into your account and then head over to the wallet section. If you don't have one, you can create a free account on Koinly.io. So once you're on the wallets page, you're gonna add wallet, and we're gonna find Binance USA. Once you click on it, you'll see we have two different options. We have the API and the CSV. I'll start off with the API. The API is great, but there are some limitations that you should be aware of. This API has some limitations in regards to missing data. The transactions below are not provided by Binance USA's API and need to be added manually. This includes fiat purchases and additional rewards from boost events. Okay, now you understand that those are the limitations. Let's proceed with the steps. The first step is to log into your Binance US account. Then you want to hover over in the top right corner, you'll find your email. From here, we want to select Export Reports from the drop-down menu. Then, under Tax API, select Generate API to generate read-only API keys. You'll be asked to complete 2FA. This will probably include an email which you will need to open to verify your account. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see your API key and API secret, so make sure to copy and paste those into Koinly. Okay, so that's one route you can take, the API route. You can also take the CSV import, which I will show you up next. The CSV import does not have any limitations. So just like before, log into your Binance US account and then head over into the top right corner. You'll have your email address, just hover over it and then select download report. And then here we want to select CSV file from the drop-down menu, and we want to make sure the form type is transaction report. And then once you have all that, click generate. You'll want to repeat this process for all past years in order to export your entire transaction history. Once you have those files, simply drag and drop them into Koinly, and there you have it. And that's it. All your transactions are now on Koinly or on their way. Once all of them have been added, you could head over to the transactions page to check underneath the hood. Specifically, if you've done any kind of staking, double check that those transactions are tagged correctly. Once you have all your wallets and exchanges connected, make sure there is no missing data and review your unclassified deposits or withdrawals and head over to the reports area. Here you will have a complete summary of your tax year. Once you've reviewed this area, your tax year, you can scroll down and download the appropriate tax report. Koinly supports tax reports for dozens of countries like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and many more. This means that wherever you file, we've read the tax rules so you don't have to. If you're having any troubles with Binance USA, we're here to help. Check out the Help Center, which has hundreds of detailed guides about everything from tagging, transactions to missing data. If your issue is a bit more specific, our subreddit is a great place to get help from Koinly staff as well as other Koinly users. Finally, you can always reach out to us directly on our contact page where one of us, yes, a real human, will help you out. All of these resources are listed in the description of this video too, so you can reach them easily. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribe for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.